disorders are serious and sometimes fatal disorders that cause severe disturbances in people's eating behaviors. Two well-known disorders in this category are anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa is an eating disorder in which a person refuses to eat for purposes of weight loss and does not maintain a normal body weight for their height and frame. People with this disorder have an intense fear of becoming fat and perceive themselves as fat even when they're very underweight. As with all disorders, there are biological, cognitive, and social factors that act as risk factors for anorexia. Familial factors, such as perfectionist parents, as well as people with anxious personality traits, may be particularly at risk. Anorexia tends to affect men and women differently. It is much more likely to impact girls and women, accounting for about 90% of all cases. Boys and men may express body image problems in ways aside from focusing on weight loss, such as an obsessive focus on building muscle mass. Like people with anorexia, individuals with bulimia nervosa are obsessed with body shape and weight. But bulimia is characterized by frequently eating large amounts of food, called binging, followed by purging, or eliminating that food. After binging, individuals have feelings of guilt, shame, or disgust, which leads to purging behaviors, often by vomiting, laxatives, or vigorous exercise. The roots of bulimia often lie in cultural pressures to be thin. The gap between ideal bodies in the media and average bodies can lead to distress about body weight and shape. Bulimia is also more likely to be found in individuals with low self-esteem and an excessive drive for achievement. While individuals with anorexia are always underweight, individuals with bulimia are often normal weight or overweight. In fact, those with bulimia are also at an increased risk for developing obesity, particularly when their symptoms overlap with binge eating disorder, where individuals feel distress when they're overeating but don't display the accompanying purging behaviors. Anorexia and bulimia can both lead to serious physical and psychological consequences. They can lead to organ damage, like kidney and heart failure. Hair and bones become brittle, and damage to the intestines can cause bloating and constipation. Binging and purging can damage the teeth and throat and cause facial swelling. Continually starving the body can also disrupt memory, cause mood swings, and impair thinking. Organ failure, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalance can even lead to death. It's one of the reasons that eating disorders have the highest mortality rate of any mental illness. In fact, people with anorexia die at about 6 times the rate of people without the disorder.